Hello again, Tom here from Wheeler Automotive. Today, showing you around this absolutely stunning 2008 Jaguar XJ, which is an absolutely phenomenal colour. It's called Pearl Grey Pearl Metallic, and I think it looks absolutely superb on this car. This is a two-owner car from new. It's got a excellent service history. We've got 13 stamps in the service book, with most of the invoices to back those up. It was last serviced about 1,000 miles ago. Start, stops and drives superbly. Really nice. Mechanically it was excellent when it came to us. The only mechanical fix we had to do was the offside rear brake caliper was sticking, so we've put a new one on. It does actually have to go back to my friendly mechanic for him to calibrate the handbrake, which he didn't do, so it does come up saying the handbrake can't go on, but obviously we'll have that sorted ready for the new owner. It's done 126,500 miles. Barely a mark on it, if I'm honest. For a, 17-year-old car, it's in amazing condition. It's got the 4.2 litre V8 petrol engine mated to the 6-speed auto, and it absolutely glides down the road. One thing that's quite rare about it is it's the long wheelbase model as well, so you get an extra 20 centimetres of legroom in the rear. But let's go around it and I will show you its wonderful condition up close. So the near side front corner is perfect. It does have auto xenon headlights, has front and rear parking sensors as well. I mean, the whole front end, I must say, is, for the age and mileage of the car, it's just superb. There's barely a mark on the bonnet. There's the odd stone chip, very minor though. On the whole, just absolutely superb. All the grills are in lovely condition. No chips or cracks in the windscreen. Offside front wing is excellent. No marks on there. That's a bit of dust. It's not a dent or a scratch. Yeah, no scratches or dents on this offside front wing. It's got these 19-inch wheels, which if you were looking for perfection, you'd probably get them refurbished. I think they're not too bad. Has a matching set of these Pirelli P0 asymmetrics on, which have got loads of tread. I don't think they've been on for more than maybe 1,000 miles or so, because there's absolutely loads of tread on them, and they're very expensive tyres. Driver's door is excellent, no real marks on that. The wing mirrors are both excellent as well, no scuffs or bangs on them. All of the glass is perfect. This does have a sunroof, all working. Offside rear door, you can see they're quite long where it's the long wheelbase version. There's just a tiny bit of corrosion in this corner, and it's exactly the same on the opposite side of the car on that rear door. So obviously something happens to the bottom corners there that they just get corroded a little bit. Roof is perfect, rear glass lovely. This offside rear quarter is lovely as well. Got a nice 19-inch wheel again. Nearly new tyre, loads of tread on them. All the brakes have got lots of life left in them. Obviously we checked that when we changed it. This was the new caliper. Yeah, all the brakes have got lots of life in them. I do have 2 original keys with the car. Rear end's in lovely shape. There's no dents or anything on the boot lid. A bit of cloth there. Yeah, boot lid's in good order. These have got a lovely big boot. And under here you do have a space-saving spare and the battery. It's a good battery in here as well. Doesn't look very old. The boot lid does have soft close. There is a tiny scuff on this near side rear corner. See, there's a little scratch just down here by the exhaust. Very faint scuff just here. But that's easily the worst mark on the car, and it's negligible, if I'm honest. The rest of this near side rear quarter is fantastic, as is this rear door. Another great wheel with, I'm sure, a not very old Pirelli tyres, just masses of tread on them all. Here's that bit of corrosion on this door, exactly the same as the other side. Passenger front door's lovely, no marks on there, or on this near side front wing either. Just all round, this car's just in fantastic condition. Another nice wheel. This white stuff's tyre shine. But yeah, all the tyres are lovely. Lots of life in all the brakes. So externally, for a 17-year-old car that's done 126,500 miles, I don't think it gets much better. Inside is just as lovely as well. We've got a lovely cream and walnut interior. The seats are superb. Heated front and rear seats. You get absolutely acres of space in the rear. So I have the driver's seat quite far back. Normally on a saloon, you know, people would be moaning behind me, but you can just see there's still loads of room. Yeah, all the seats are in lovely condition. I mean, the rear looks like it's barely been sat in, which is often the way with cars like this. The most amount of wear we can see is on the driver's door and on the driver's seat. No holes anywhere, just a few creases where obviously the driver's been sat in here more than any other seats. The steering wheel's in nice nick. Let's get in. We can see exact mileage there, 126517. That will go up slightly because I've got to take it back to have the handbrake sorted. Starts, stops and runs absolutely superbly. I mean, the V8 is whisper quiet, almost too quiet. I've actually got another one of these which I'm going to keep for myself, and I'm thinking of modifying the exhaust a little bit just to make it so that you can kind of hear that lovely V8 rumble a bit. I'm not going to try and make it a race car or anything, but just a bit of noise would be great. But yeah, really tidy condition in here. Got radio, CD player, sat nav, etc. up on the front here, albeit it is a little bit dated, but it all works. Got heated front seats, climate control and everything down here. We have regassed the aircon, that's something else we've done, so that now blows ice cold. Goes up and down all the gears really nice and smoothly. Couple of cup holders there. You slide this sort of armrest backwards and you can lift it up, and there's a storage bin in there. It does have cruise control. These are stereo controls on the left hand side of the wheel. Down there are the electric controls for not only the steering column but also the pedals. You can move the pedals forwards and backwards as well. But yeah, it's just a really nice place to be. Very comfortable. And as I say, that lovely V8. It's actually surprisingly frugal, I would guess is the right word. For a 4.2 V8, easily gets 25 plus to the gallon. And I'll be surprised if you can hear much of it on the video, because it's just like a sewing machine. Very smooth and quiet. But there it is, our absolutely stunning 2008 Jaguar XJ 4.2 Sovereign.